Did you know that you can use astrology as a self-awareness tool?
You are not just your sun sign. Many people come to me and like, oh, yeah, you know astrology? Can you guess my sign? Hint, you are going to be learning with me in these lessons, in these videos, that it doesn't work that way. Even if somebody guesses your sign, there's a lot more into it. Hey there, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be defining what astrology is and how it can be used as a self-awareness tool. But before we get into it, make sure that you give this video a like if you do like it, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. So now, let's get into it. Astrology is a symbolic system that attempts to understand and explain the human psyche based on movements and location of planets that are in correlation of the human experience. When you talk about the time of your birth and the place of your birth, this is what they call a natal chart. And the natal chart is what we are going to be using in order to explain, to understand, to attempt to understand and explain your human experience. In less words, your natal chart is basically a snapshot of the sky, right in the time and in the location that when you were born. And this is what we are going to be using in order to read your psyche. The natal chart is considered to be the blueprint of a human, of the person, the blueprint for that person's psyche. So this blueprint, the natal chart, is going to show, or is going to show us the complete potential for an individual, the good and the bad. The model of astrology is based on archetypes. This is the reason why I love to combine the tarot reading with the astrology, because they both use their archetypes to see the potential that a human has of expressing its existence. And when you talk about archetypes, think about the collective unconscious. That's why we are able, and everybody's able to relate to it, because it is in our collective unconscious. Thanks for watching, and see you very soon. Bye bye.